Welcome. In this quick tutorial we are going to show you that how to fix or how to see TikTok watch history. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. First of all, how to fix or watch TikTok history. Click on the TikTok app, click on the profile, click on the three lines which appear at right top corner, click on settings and privacy. Now click on the activity center here. You will see here watch history on TikTok. This is your watch history. If you are not having this option, then first of all update your TikTok app or report a problem and write your problem that you are not getting option of watch history. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.